In this video, we will talk about how to make your computer faster on Windows 11. Step 1. Disable startup apps. Right-click on Taskbar. Select Task Manager. Click on Startup Apps. Disable apps you don't need to start up automatically when your computer boots up. Step 2. Turn off visual effects. Right-click on Start. Select Run. Type System Properties command and press Enter. Select Advanced tab. In Performance, click on Settings. Select Adjust for best performance. Then click on Apply and OK. This helps especially on lower-end PCs. Step 3. Clean temporary files. Right-click on Start. Select Run. Type Temp and press Enter. Select all files with the use of Control and A. Delete all files. Again, type %temp and repeat the process. Step 4. Uninstall unnecessary programs. Click on Start. Open Settings. On the left, select Apps, then Installed Apps. Remove programs you don't use. Besides that, try updating Windows and perform a malware scan. So that's how you can make your computer faster on Windows 11. See you in the next video.